And now time for the odd shot. So हमारी girls गई abroad. So who was hot and who was not? चलो देखते हैं who will score points and who will we rip apart. Sonam ne steal kiya show with this beautiful white gown. Her beautiful bottom was enhanced with the fabric and fit of this well-chosen attire. लेकिन अब ऐश के बॉटम को देखिए, जिनके गाउन के फैब्रिक ने ऊज करवाया उनका सेलुलाइट और फैट फ्रॉम द बैक. Even from the top in the front, her gown wasn't fitting too well at all. लेकिन ये क्या, सोनम ने तो अगले दिन सारे किए कराए पर पानी फेर दिया और कर दी अपनी इमेज खराब. Alright, I can't wait for you to talk about Sonam's gown.
I think she's drop dead gorgeous. Just look at the way it's sitting on her butt and everything. She's looking really, really nice there. Besides the point that people are criticizing her makeup, which was done by the brand that she's endorsing there and everything, I think it's just, I can't dispute it. She's looking really, really nice there.
Alright, and what about the sari?
Oh, don't even go there. हमने इसी show पर odd shot में कहा था that Sonam should just stay away from all these saris, especially the particular sari that she was wearing at that time with the orange bindi. It was pathetic. I thought, and जितना वो picture में हंस रही है ना, that's how much people must have laughed at her when they must have looked at her with this sari, this bindi print sari at the Khan's dinner where she went. I think it's outright pathetic, and this is the second time she's wearing a Masaba Gupta sari. No offense to you, Masaba. I think you're very talented. But या तो saris बनाना छोड़ो या कम से कम सोनम को तो पहनाना छोड़ो. She should absolutely restrain from wearing saris, and never ever a Masaba Gupta sari for Sonam Kapoor. I think the chemistry is not right. And look at Sonam Kapoor's blouse with those collars.
Yeah, it's hideous.
She probably got confused. उन्हें शायद लगा कि वो अपनी किसी फिल्म के लिए एक वकील का रोल प्ले कर रही हैं और वो कोर्ट में जाएंगी और बोलेंगी माय लॉर्ड मुझे अन्याय नहीं न्याय चाहिए. तो हमें भी न्याय चाहिए. अगली बार आप इंटरनेशनल रेड कार्पेट पर चलो तो प्लीज डू नॉट मेक अस एम्बैरेस्ड. मेक अस प्राउड लाइक यू डिड विद योर गाउन. एंड I think that sari is the less said the better.
Okay, but talking about justice, do you think Aishwarya is doing justice to her gown?
I think she is looking nice. It could have fitted better, but I still like her. She's very elegant, except for the clutch and the over-the-top bracelet. It's just a total, you know, OTT over the top, and it's just killing the outfit, the gown that she's wearing. But she's pretty okay. She's very nice and graceful otherwise.
Do you think she should have tried Indian, perhaps?
No, Urushi, no. You know what? Just for what you said, I'm going to make you suffer. And you have to watch her pictures when she started going to the Cannes many years ago and she attempted Indian. Look at the pictures and you will say that Aishwarya should have killed the designer. Just kill the designer. Check out those pictures in the Hara Nila Pila.
Oh yeah, she should stay away. She should stay away from Indian. All right, and what about Malika Sherawat? She's your favorite.
Oh, and how? I love watching her panties. I don't think she goes there to show herself off at Cannes. वो तो खाली अपनी पैंटी दिखाने जाती हैं. और जब देखो उनके हर आउटफिट में सिर्फ उनकी चड्डी दिख रही होती है और कुछ नहीं दिखता. I think that's probably her way of telling the world that I do wear panties sometimes. So, you know, every time she wears a gown, she shows her chaddi off.